it, hold it, thread it. Thread it! Ah! Wait for it! Engage! Yo, what's up guys? We are at the Anza Borrego Desert State Park. Let's go see what this is all about here. Up, up, and away. Let's go. Last flood area. Seems pretty dry today. Anza Borrego. This place is a freaking gem. Beautiful mountains. 6 gear waiting right there. Look at this, you just rip it. Ain't nobody out here. Oh my goodness, I love it. Montañas, Tony Montañas. Dude, check out the mountains we're about to head up into. Look at these views here. Freaking gorgeous. We got some snaky roads coming up here. I got the Kawasaki Z900 RS Cafe. We're in 3rd gear. We might need to bring these 2nd gear. It's a downhill climb. Whoa! A lot of cyclists out here too. Dude! Whoa! We're going to 2nd. I want to be able to rip it. I want to hear it. Let's hear it. Whoa, baby! It's road though. Hold up. I need to get the drone. Whoa! Swoopers! Declining swoopers! That's what I'm talking about. I need to get the drone out for this afterwards. 20? Dude. This is a hidden gem we got here. I'm gonna have to go slow like an old grandma. Well, this guy's ruining my view. Hit the apices. Well, this road might be worth climbing up again in a minute. Wowzer! Whoa, super declines. Whoa, baby! I'm gonna watch this back in 2x fast forward speed to make me look better than I am. See what this Anza Borrego is all about here. Whoa, that's what it's about. We got some grooves and we got some sand patches. Not so fan of those though. See what's over the hill. No children. Ooh, I like that. Oh, Squiggles R Us, more of it. 25er. Pardon my French, we got twisties coming up here. Whoa, Anza Borrego. This road was not lying to me. Oh, this road was not lying. Whoa, ruined my view there, big boy. My friends, konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. That's when you know you're on a good road and you see a pack of wolves on it. Hold on, get that knee out. Whoa! Engage. We're on the downhill climb. Hello. Oh, Anza Borrego. This is a good view, actually. Hold it, thread it. Thread it. Ah! Wait for it. Engage. Oh, fuck yeah. Woo! That's it. Well, we got some quickies coming up here. This is the road. The road less traveled. Hold on. 35ers. Whoa, we got some hard ones coming up. Next mile. Here we go. Dude, this is the road. No, this is a stupid lorry in front of me. Oh no. There's a goat path. Let's shoot a goat play. Some goat play coming up next mile. No, my boy here. Might pull over for a moment, stop the audio, and resume in a second. Let's see. Oh no, this could be a good section. Let me slow down. Let me just slow down. Oh no, this is like the best part of the road. I'm just gonna wait. my boys. Keep it in second. Let's keep it in seconds. Rev the fuck out of it. Wait for it. Whoa! Declining radius. Declining radius. That one. Good thing I wasn't taking it too hot. Whoa! Let's road test the loins a little bit. Test the loins. Whoa, big boy! Hold it. Hold the line. Wait for it. Come out of it. This is a good road, Anza Borrego, my boy. This is the best road so far in California, in the great state of California. Polar Bear State, whatever you want to call it. I don't know what the state's called. Golden State, that's right. Not the Polar Bear, that's what's on their flag. And it ends with a beautiful treat here. That was a good road, my friend. Woohoo! That's what it feels like when you haven't ridden a good road in a minute. You forget the joys of it. My goodness. The life's all about right there, my friends. That's what it's about. Sorry for yelling. I got a high right now. You know, there's a runner's high and there's a moto high. This one includes the vibration of the saddle underneath your loins, so it's even better. And then you end it with a beautiful view like that. That's it, baby boy. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about right there.